ASTS ripping double digits pre-market. FIGR going orbital. IREN screaming. SMCI vertical. Welcome to Dayrade Daily, where we farm madness, not dividends. So smash like and subscribe before these candles cool off.
ASTS is up 14.34%, and my heart rate is matching the volatility. This show is cardio for degenerates who pick level 2 over therapy. So yeah, like the video so my panic has purpose. Please.
Relax, Goblin. Average vol is 7.95% today. The market is bullish and you act like you just discovered candles, not candlesticks.
For the record, we are triaging momentum in tech, financials, and energy, sorting which gaps to scalp, which to fade, and which to simply watch while you cry. So please like and subscribe so we know you survived.
And remember, this circus is happening on Tuesday, January 20th, 2026. Timestamp it. When ASTS becomes a legend, and my people call me the Orbit Prophet.
ASTS first, opening drive scalp, or you cowards sitting out while Reddit sacrifices their risk management. The satellite meme is strong today and my discipline is weak. Very weak.
If your plan is just satellites go up so stock go up, please sit out the open and let actual traders handle the opening range breakout instead of funding the pros.
ASTS is gapping like a launch window. Volume flooded overnight after that Constellation contract rumor. This is opening drive. Take partials, trail tight, and never average up into a vertical 5-minute candle.
Fundamentally, the story is credible, but intraday, that gap is stretched. So a VWAP test fade is absolutely on the menu once the early space tourists get stopped out.
Translation for my people. Let the first herd chase. Wait for that big stuff candle near high. Then either fade it or admit you are late and do nothing like a responsible goblin.
Look at Jet pretending to be responsible. Trade tip 1. Chasing gaps the size of your ego ends with tears and screenshots, not yachts. FIGR ripped on a surprise guidance bump and buyback tease, not your manifesting cult boy. But yeah, liquidity is juicy and the tape screams squeeze bait.
FIGR set up beautifully for an opening range breakout yesterday, and today with this gap, the cleaner play is a VWAP reclaim if they stuff the first breakout and shorts get overconfident.
Or you can do what I do. Set 3 hotkeys, pray to the spread gods, and scalp every FIGR liquidity pocket until my broker sends a wellness email.
Trade tip 2. If your broker emails you about activity, that is not a trophy. That is the universe saying, maybe fewer FIGR round trips, my child.
Universe, compliance department, same thing either way. FIGR is a momentum trade, not a personality type. So get in, get paid, get out.
IREN up 11.43% is the one I find most structurally fragile. Crypto proxy, overextended daily chart, retail FOMO, textbook mean reversion candidate if Bitcoin even sneezes.
IREN is that friend who only texts when crypto is green. Sudden energy, terrible follow-through. Then you are back holding emotional damage at 2 in the morning.
Finally, a plan I almost respect. Fade the outer edges. But remember, liquidity dries fast on crypto sidecars. One wide candle and your stop is cosplay, not protection.
Speaking of cosplay, SMCI up 10.94% is wearing the AI cape again. Gap plus high volume plus chip narrative. This is my opening drive crack.
SMCI is reacting to upside guidance and supply chain relief commentary, which is real. But after a move like this, I prefer waiting for a midday consolidation than an afternoon range break instead of YOLOing the first 5-minute candle.
Counterpoint. Sometimes the best consolidation is inside your soul. But I agree. SMCI, midday flag, plus volume perk is chef kiss. I am not marrying the open on that one.
Look at Toro pretending to be patient. This guy once tried to scalp a halt. But in this bullish backdrop, you respect continuation on SMCI and MU, not short every green bar like a hero.
MU up 7.76% is like the older cousin who shows up when Nvidia is tired. Solid earnings, memory demand, and suddenly every scalper remembers it exists.
MU is trending. That gap is supported by fundamentals. So it is a trend joiner for me. Pull back to intraday moving averages, or VWAP, not a reckless front-side short, which I have done before and regretted.
See, even the former hedge wizard blew up on MU once. If he can admit it, you can admit you should not short every chip name that gaps after good numbers.
Also, if you are still watching and have not clicked like or subscribe, your MU pullbacks will mysteriously fail. That is how quantum trading works, my people. I do not make the rules.
Can we please talk about NVO? Up 9.12%, a quietly enormous healthcare move, off obesity drug numbers and pipeline update. Way cleaner than Jet racing MU for cardio.
NVO is the adult in the room. Clinical data, guidance raise, institutional flow, which is why half of you ignore it and chase the shiniest green thing instead.
NVO trend day is beautiful, but my people log in for lasers and rockets, not glycemic control. Still, pullback buys along intraday support make that a stealth money printer.
I tried to scalp NVO once, and my chart basically fell asleep. But slow grinding print days with tight ranges can pay more than 3 ASTS heart attacks.
Speaking of halts and heart attacks, GLXY up 7.25% and CDE up 6.41% are classic late-cycle shiny objects. Crypto financials and silver miners both yelling, "Pick me."
GLXY is like if your crypto cousin opened a bank and promised no risk, which is exactly when I look for the exhaustion wick to short, tiny size only, because I enjoy living.
CDE is my speed. Miners plus silver spike. You get these fake breaks over morning highs, then rock pull into VWAP. It is like a trust exercise with gravity.
Just remember, metals trade off macro jitters too, so if data drops or yields lurch, that intraday structure can change instantly. It is not just pretty candles on CDE.
Social sentiment is insane today. ASTS and FIGR threads are pure manifesto energy. If the comment uses the word destiny, you probably should not size full account.
Final prophecy. Someone ignores our risk jokes, chases the worst candle, and comes back tomorrow wiser. So subscribe now and let Dayrade Daily document your glow up.
Closing prediction. We will be here riding the chaos again. So manage size, respect stops, like the video, subscribe, and try not to become the cautionary tale we roast tomorrow.